Hola and welcome to my YouTube channel here at Benidorm and beyond. Today's vlog brings you an up-to-date look at some of the building and renovation works that are going on in Benidorm at the moment, which follows my recent videos over the last weeks covering the same theme. We start along Quai Girona in the new town, otherwise known as the Strip, where the work at the 4-star Hotel Marina continues. Whilst the popular Titanic Cafe Bar and White Star Cabaret venue are open for business, the swimming pool and solarium area are most definitely not, but as you can see, work is progressing and the whole below street level zone is being given a fresh new look. One of the pool bars is now being rebuilt after being completely demolished, and the pool, although still much the same shape, seems to have had the addition of steps down into it on the top right-hand corner. The tiling of the pool has also just begun, so don't forget to check back in a couple of weeks to see how it's all advancing. Next up, we go down to the Seafront and Avenue de Alcoy towards the old town end of the resort, where we see the Nabab Cafe Bar, which has been trading since 1974. Their complete revamp is really coming together now and looks very stylish indeed, with pale walls, modern signage and globe feature lighting, while of course retaining those fantastic views out to the Levante Beach, Peacock Island and the gorgeous Mediterranean Sea. Adjacent, the work on the old Hotel Selimar continues, which is due to be transformed into a brand new luxury hotel, the Bartholo Benidorm Beach, which hopes to open for the summer season this year, so watch this space. If you want to find out about some of Benidorm's most popular hotels, then why not check out my great series of vlogs giving you an unbiased look inside and out. Just search YouTube, Fly on the Wall, followed by the name of the hotel you're looking for, and all the info will be at your fingertips. It's that simple. Moving along to the completely opposite end of the beachfront, along Avenida Madrid in the Rincon de Loix, we now see the ongoing renovations at the popular bar Cafeteria Roman. Serving Benidorm's hungry and thirsty tourists and residents alike since 1975, this refurbishment is no doubt long overdue, and it would appear that a new stage area has been built in the corner of the premises from the glimpse I was able to get as I walked past recently. Further along the promenade, the infamous Tiki Beach Bar is having some essential repair works performed on its steps up to its large L-shaped outdoor terrace, and despite it still being the quietest time of the year, this high-volume venue is always still busy, especially at the weekends. Just off the beachfront, along Avenida Castellón in the Rincon de Loix, a building that was previously a large Chinese shop selling mainly clothing has now got the builders in, and I'm waiting to see what it will be next. Along the Avenida del Mediterraneo and just next to the Hotel Riador, at the end of the passageway that is home to cabaret venue Valentine's, we see that the brunch box, which is moving premises from the Rincon to this new town location, now has its new signs in place and is due to open on March the 3rd. Just a few metres along this alleyway, nightclub Talk of the Coast improvements still continue, and I imagine work is progressing well inside as they are currently advertising for new members of staff on their Facebook page for the coming season. Down on Avenida de Mallorca, which of course is much better known as The Square, Beachcombers Disco is getting some more up-to-date panelling on its exterior walls, as well as some pink and white entrance signs, which I imagine will all light up at night. If you'd like to support my channel and future vlogs by making a small donation, you can now buy me a coffee, or even 2 or 3. Just click on the down arrow next to the vlog title, which brings you to the description of this video. Then follow the link provided at the bottom. It's really that simple. Thank you so much. Further up towards the top of the square, work continues slowly on the old Sinatra's premises, which is due to be the American-themed Coyote Ugly Bar, with all their original signs now having been removed, but with no outwardly visible signs of progress. Whilst next door, the old Birdcage Fun Pub, which is due to be a pop music-themed bar, appears to be virtually the same as when I visited last. Finally back on the strip again, Scruffy Murphy's Irish Bar remains in a state of abandonment, with no indication yet of the new Spanish-owned business that was promised, but perhaps they are waiting for the busier spring and summer months before they start their new venture. This brings us to the end of this short update vlog, and I hope that you've enjoyed seeing some current video footage of your beloved resort of Benidorm and what's going on here at the moment. If you did, please check out some of my other videos which show you many accommodation options in Benidorm with full reviews and inside footage of lots of the most popular hotels, as well as taking you on detailed street and beachfront walks and bringing you lots of local news, updates and reviews on cafes, bars and just about anything else I can think of as well. Thanks so much for watching as always, and I'll see you out and about next time. Take care, have a good day, and hasta pronto. Cheers!